Let's learn how to connect TikTok to Facebook. This may be a little complicated for you, but don't worry. Just follow my steps carefully, stay until the end of the video so you don't miss something and make some mistake, and you are good to go. Connecting TikTok profile to a Facebook can be a good invest to get a bigger reach and more likes, so you can grow faster, etc. Now, without wasting your time, let us start. So first, from your starting page, open your TikTok application. This works on both Apple and Android devices. When you open TikTok app, tap this profile icon in bottom right corner that will open your profile page. Once you did that, wait for page to finish loading, and when it does, just tap on your username above Edit Profile and Share Profile buttons. This will copy your username to a mobile clipboard so you don't make a mistake while connecting account to a Facebook profile. When you did this, feel free to exit TikTok. Go back to an phone starting screen. Find Facebook app and open it. Now from Facebook starting page, find and click on 3 horizontal lines in bottom right corner, and it will lead you to your profile page. If it didn't, just tap on profile picture later, and it will redirect you in the same way. Once you tapped it, wait for profile to finish loading. When it did, tap on this edit profile button, or pencil icon in top right corner near search icon. Both of them will open you in profile editor screen where we will connect our TikTok. Once you are at edit profile page, scroll down at the near end until you find links option. When you did, tap on this blue add button at the right side of your screen. This will lead you to a new screen. TikTok is social media platform, so we need this social links section. Tap on this add social link button. When you did, you will get platform button and a box to write in. First, you will have to tap on platform. It will open you in pop-up with a list of social platforms to choose which one you want to connect. We want to connect TikTok, so let's tap on it. After you've done that, let's go back to this box where you will put your username of your TikTok account. Tap once more and click on paste to quick add your username from a mobile clipboard. Now hit done button on your keyboard and then save button in top right corner of your screen. If we go back and refresh the profile page, you will see that we have TikTok profile connected now, and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.